Good morning, students. Today's topic is absorption at liquid interfaces. In this topic, we will discussing about types of absorption, Gibbs absorption equation, and types of films. Introduction to absorption at liquid interfaces. Certain molecules or ions, when added to the water, they modify the interfaces in different ways. This is called as absorption. Types of absorption: positive absorption and negative absorption. Positive absorption: when added submolecules or ions move on their own accord to their interface. This process is called as positive absorption. The partition in favor of interface reduces the surface or interfacial tension. Example of molecules or ions: sodium lauryl sulfate, twins and triethanol amine. Negative absorption: certain molecules or ions in prefer to remain in bulk of the solution. Such process is called as negative absorption. Though they are remain in the bulk, still they affected on the interfacial properties. Examples are inorganic electrolytes like sodium chloride is added to the water. They marginally enhance the surface tension, but there are remains in the bulk of the solution. Some molecules or ions added to the water does not affected on interfacial properties of molecules. There a marginal increasing in surface tension also increases the viscosity of the sugar solution. Examples: sugars, carbohydrates and cellular derivatives. The phenomenon can be explained by using following diagram. Then plot a graph in between concentration of component added is taken on x-axis and respect to surface tension is taken on y-axis. By adding the inorganic electrolytes, slightly increasing in their surface tension. By the addition of surface active agents, surfactants reduces the interfacial tension. Surface films: by the adding polar chain alcohols added to the water, they spread on the water surface initially. As the concentration of surfactants can be increases, they are accumulated at the interface. On further increasing the concentration, there are accumulate and form a films at the interface. At a particular concentration, surface is covered with a monomolecular layer of added substances. Types of films formed during absorption are at liquid interfaces: soluble monomolecular films, insoluble monomolecular films, mixed films. These absorption can be used for stabilization of emulsions. The phenomenon of surface area occupied by each surfactant molecule at the interface is important to stabilize the emulsions. It is also used for efficiency of this process depending on concentration of surfactant at interfacial films to understand the wetting and detergency property. These are also used as a membrane model to understand the in vitro models to study the biological processes. Insoluble monomolecular film. When small amount of slightly soluble materials are placed on the clean surface of the water, they are spread to form a film on the surface of the water. The formed film thickness can be measured. The thickness of the film can be measured by using two parameters. First one is area of film and volume of the spreading of liquid is the second one. These two parameters can be determined by using one equipment. The equipment used for determining the thickness of the film is called as film balance. These principles are used in study the viscosity of the solutions, to study the electrical properties of films, determination of molecular weight of high polymers. This film balance technique is also used for study the size and shape of molecules and also interaction with other drugs at interface can be investigated. These are the various types of applications of film balance method. By using this method, steroids, enzymes and hormones, size and shape of molecules can be determined, and also investigate the interaction with other drugs can be studied at interface. Soluble monomolecular films. Certain molecules or ions, when added to the water, they are formed as a films. As the concentration of added substances can be increases, they are accumulated at the interface and forms a monomolecular films. These type of films cannot be compressed. Examples: amyl alcohol plus water. The following parameters are evaluated in this study: surface tension, surface excess, and concentration of amphiphils in the bulk. These parameters can be easily measured for soluble monolayers compared with insoluble films. This study involves Gibbs absorption isotherm. The concentration of surfactant in the bulk can be determined by drawing a sample from the bulk of the solution. Next one, the surface concentration can be determined by collecting the samples from the surface by using microtome blade. The collected surfactant molecules from the surface estimated by suitable methods. After determine the concentration of surfactant at bulk and concentration of surfactant at surface to calculate surface excess. Surface excess can be calculated by using following equation. Surface excess is equal to the difference in between surface concentration minus bulk concentration. This direct measurement of surface excess does not provide a accurate result. It produces number of problems. So there is a alternative in estimation of values using Gibbs equation. Gibbs absorption equation used for measure the surface parameters. The number of molecules per unit area of surface can be estimated by using Gibbs absorption equation. This can be given by following equation: I minus is equal to minus A2 by RT into change in surface tension by dA2, where I minus means moles of solute absorbed at unit area, R means ideal gas constant, T means absolute temperature, dy means change in surface tension, dA2 means change in the solute activity at A2. The surface excess is the amount of amplified per unit area of surface in excess of that in bulk. For dilute solutions of non-electrolytes, activity term can be replaced by solute concentration. So surface excess is equal to minus C2 by 2.303 into RT into change in surface tension by change in concentration. The integral of dc by dt is equal to d into ln c. So Gibbs equation can be rewritten as surface excess is equal to surface excess by RT into change in surface tension by d ln c2. The equations are used for absorption of non-dissociating solutes such as surfactants. The above two equations are used for absorption of non-dissociating solutes such as surfactants. To study the effect of concentration of surfactants on surface tension of water can be studied using following diagram. From the above equation, surface tension can be decreases with increasing the surface excess. At lower concentrations, the surface is partially covered with and surface tension is decreases slightly. In this stage, surface is appeared as a mosaic with surfactant molecules. As the concentration of surfactants can be increases, surface tension also falls gradually. The linear portion of the plot gives surface excess. At particular concentration surfactant, the surface tension get leveled off, indicating the surface is completely covered with monomolecular layer. After this graph, beyond the concentration, surface active agents aggregate to form a micelles and stay in bulk of the solution. The pattern indicates inflection point corresponding to the critical micelles concentration. For study this phenomenon, then plot a graphing between log surfactant concentration is taken on x-axis and respect to surface tension is taken on y-axis. Alternatively, they plot a graphing between surface tension is taken on y-axis and concentration of amphiphiles is taken on y-axis to give linear relation with above equation. From this graph, slope is calculated by multiplying with using following formula: surface excess by 2.303 into RT. The surface excess can be calculated by using multiplying slope value with 2.303 into RT. Mixed films. When two surface active agents are mixed together and allowed to spread a liquid, they form a mixed monomolecular films. Water soluble surfactants are penetrated into insoluble monomolecular film of surfactant to form mixed films. By this way, mixed films can be formed. For example, at critical micellar concentration, they may be formed as a mixed micelles. These mixed micelles containing molecules of two surfactants. This phenomenon can be explained by using following diagram. A gives mixed monomolecular films and further addition of surfactant molecules, it can be converted into mixed micellase. In this mixed micellase, molecules of two surfactants are containing. So today's class discussing about absorption at liquid interfaces and what are the types of absorption and which type of films can be formed during absorption at liquid interfaces and their importance. Thank you.